Met you past the soybean field, bare feet, mason jar in your hand. Said I always make a mistake when I try to make a plan. You laughed, threw your head back sideways, hair doing its own wild spin. Said let's chase something glowing, let the rest just twist in the wind. We took the lion's share of the evening, from the crickets in the darkening sky. You said kiss me now, you'll regret it. So we tripped, we fell, we made out in the firefly light. Yeah, the lion's share of the evening belonged to stolen breaths and bitten smiles. If we were wrong, let it be wrong forever. Just two kids burning up a summer mile. You drew maps in the dirt with a stick, lines to everywhere we'd never been. Said we could leave by Friday or stay here and start again. You caught one last spark in your jar, held it up like proof we could win. Said we don't have to make a plan tonight, we can just twist in the wind. Crickets in the darkening sky. You said kiss me now or you'll forget me. So we tripped, we fell, we made out in the firefly light. Yeah, the lion's share of the evening belonged to reckless hearts and muddy thighs. If we were lost, let us stay there forever. Just two kids flickering in borrowed light.